Just finished plumbing and installing the wall mount unit. Everything is plugged in. We're doing tests on it right now. Rob is outside running around like a little kid, pressure washing everything. So let me show you what we got going on. Rob has already done pressure washed his whole front off. Now he's out here pressure washing the back off.
Shit.
Like Toys R Us. Little kid.
Just took the paint off my my chair right there.
Right on.
Didn't mean to.
Dial it down. Dial the pressure down. So I want to go back and show you. We made it universal that you can run DI nice water or you can run regular water. The red valve is for regular water, the yellow valve is for DI water. There's your tank. And you can see it's a very quiet motor. It's not like running a gas-powered motor. It's very quiet, it's electric. One nice system.